As a patient, you probably have a lot of information to keep track of, and often have to manage your care in different ways throughout the day. Use MyChart to keep track of everything and share important details with your provider. You'll get access to an interactive plan of care tailored to you and your health conditions. It reminds you to complete tasks like keeping your care team up to date about your symptoms, recording health data like weight or blood pressure, and taking the right medications at the right times. If you don't complete your tasks for a while, or your condition worsens, your care plan can adjust to help you get back on track, or automatically notify your provider so they can check in with you. Let me show you an example. Let's say you've just been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes and it's a bit of a shock. Your provider reassures you that you can feel well and minimize complications if you commit to thoughtful, at-home diabetes management. To help with this, your provider signs you up for a MyChart care plan to test and track blood sugar at home, manage blood sugar emergencies, and make lifestyle adjustments. When you first open MyChart, your health feed shows a notification about tasks you need to complete today. Selecting this opens your to-do list. Here are today's tasks and how many are complete. Let's get started with your first task. Looks like you need to learn about type 2 diabetes and diet. In your care plan, you can learn about your condition in bite-sized pieces at the most convenient time and place. Let's open the first reminder. After you review the material, note whether you understood it or not. If you have questions, MyChart brings up an opportunity to message your care team about the topic so you can get clarity right away. I'll go back to the task list and indicate that I understand. And you see that this task is marked as complete. Your next task is an opportunity to update your care team on your relevant medical history. I'll answer the question. Your responses might result in further prompts, education, or new tasks. Your response could also trigger an automated message to your care team to update them on your condition. Now you have a reminder to check and record your blood sugar. Because you'll take your blood sugar using a separate device, you'll record the values from your glucometer here. I'll enter the glucose reading from this morning. It was taken before your last meal. It's been about 4 hours since you ate. Now I'll enter your last insulin dose. You might also have smart devices that can connect to Apple Health or Google Fit. Those apps can be set up to sync the data to MyChart. In the Track My Health activity, you only need to connect your tracking app one time. After that, whenever you step on your smart scale or take a reading from your smart glucometer, it syncs automatically to MyChart. I'll return to the to-do list. Your care plan also reminds you to take your medications on time. When you tap a reminder for multiple medications, you can check them off individually or all at once. Great! You've completed today's tasks. From here, you can take a look at what tasks are coming up. If you want to review what you did today, you can see your completed tasks. You can also see your progress over the past week, month, or 3 months. In addition to the tasks sent by your care team, you can make your own. Let's say you want to remember to do your stretching exercises. To do this, create a daily reminder. I'll type the name. The time and date are good, and I'll set it to repeat every day. Let's take a look at the finished product. Starting tomorrow, this reminder will show up on your to-do list. Then you and your care team will be able to track how well you're doing with it over time. Another great thing about the to-do list is that you can control what reminders you want to see and when they appear. From the reminder schedule, you can choose how often you see reminders and what types of tasks you want to be reminded about. And here you can change what times of day your reminders will appear. Finally, anyone who has proxy access to your account, like your spouse or children, can also get these reminders, so they can help you stay on track. And they can even complete tasks on your behalf from their own device. MyChart makes it easy to manage your health at home and keep in communication with your care team. Thanks for watching. To learn more about what MyChart can do for you, check out our other videos.